Okay, Kudo. So I want to know catfish farming.
Yeah.
In the first place, my first question will be, why go into catfish farming?
Okay. So like what I said earlier, with everything, it's you are a business man or businesswoman.
Yeah.
You have to understand what the market wants and then place yourself to supply the market, the demand of the market. So when I did a quick market research, I realized that Ghana, we love fish, seafood, whether it's snail, whether it's tilapia, whether it's crab with okra and all of that. And recently you should see that catfish has, because I think mainly because of Nigerian influence as well.
Yeah.
We have a lot of Nigerian brothers and sisters here, so mainly because of the influence as well in a way. And just looking at probably people also being a bit tired, not tired, but they just want something different from the tilapia.
Yeah.
So if you look at it from that perspective, you could see that there's a big demand for catfish in the market. So I looked at that and I said, okay, then let me also place myself, after studying the market, seeing what the price people were willing to buy it at, what it takes to produce. I said, then let me get in and then let's produce it. Yeah.
Sharp.